Hello, my name's Liam Platt, and today I'm going to be opening 20-year-old action figures that were my dad's. And also, who's this guy? Okay, this is Chancellor Velorum. 20 years old, unopened. My dad bought him in 1998. All of them were in 1998. Next one. Qui-Gon Jinn. He talks too. Only if you have a certain thing. Her. Padme pod racer scene. An old B1 droid. I think I have another one too. What's up? Another Padme with blaster pistols too. With blaster pistols. Padme again. Queen Amidala is right here.
So let's get up.
Evil. He's not new anymore. Another old B1 droid. I think this is a commander one. Anyway. Jar Jar Binks. I have Jar Jar Binks. Yeah. Another old B1 droid. I have 3 old B1 droids. There's 3 old B1 droids. I think I have enough to play with. Oh. Naked C-3PO. His parts are showing. That's what it says in the movie. Nice parts are showing. And also, the last one. You may be wondering of who this is. Mace Windu. He's supposed to have a purple lightsaber, but it's wrong because it's blue. Blue. Unopened. These are all unopened. Can you believe it? When I open these, I'll probably be really happy. I have tons of these things. They require something to talk. Sorry, but these are my dad's, so it's just a certain way. Scoot these over here. Oh, it's my video for opening the Star Wars toys, just to be showing you. I'm gonna actually open them now. I'm gonna actually open the toys now. There I go. This thing is hard. Cardboard is softer because it's. Alright, got it open. Get Darth Maul. Darth Maul. Darth Maul! Evil Darth Maul. Let me get his lightsaber out. Oh, let me get his chip out. His chip. Where is his arm? So, why can't I get this in his hand? Maybe it'll go in his other hand. Maybe it'll go in his other hand. Who knows? Maybe. Yes! It went in his hand! This is Darth Maul. Again, evil. There. Wait. His arm's backwards. I'm gonna take his place. Put him back in his box. And the next one. Chancellor Valorum.
Give a good view. Give it
Chancellor Valorum. Again, now I'm gonna open it. Again, all of these are 20 years old. These are really old, so I have to be taking good care of them. Again. Okay. This chip fell out. Take him out of this box. And he's coming. Oh, there's tape there. Tape. Why is there tape on this? There, got it. Let's take this now. Ah! Chancellor Valorum and his staff. This is it. The arm of his staff goes in. What? Huh? Just my dad walking across the room. There. Oh, it's Chip. This is Chip. Put him back in the box. Newly opened. Put him on top of Darth Maul. Now it's time for Mace Windu from the Republic. How do we open this? Oh yeah, and I think all of them are from the Phantom Menace. I think all of them are. So, this thing is so hard. Dad, can you bring me a trash can?
What are you gonna throw away, son?
The stuff that I don't need, like the trash.
Oh,
But not the actual toys.
oh, yeah. You don't want to throw away the toys.
Oh, that's how you do it. Newly, freshly open. Open him up and get his lightsaber out. Oh. Dad, can you take the trash out? Wait. Oh, that's him. Yeah. Gone. Yeah.
This is a in that trash can, son?
Yeah. I'm gonna take him out of his cloak. Mace Windu. Put his lightsaber on. Try this. Huh. These are really old toys. Oh. Yeah, there. Lightsaber's wrong color. Mace Windu, very old. Can turn his body around too. That's Mace Windu. And I'm gonna put his chip back in.
Leah, here's a new trash can.
New trash can? Thanks. I can start putting this stuff in the trash. Sorry about that. Qui-Gon Jinn is now being opened by me. Qui-Gon Jinn. Oh, geesh. Old toys are harder to open. It might be easier to break though. Alright, let me get the chip out. Qui-Gon Jinn. Good. What in the world? Why is there 2 lightsabers in here? Got his other finger. Daddy, why is there 2 lightsabers in here? Qui-Gon Jinn.
Qui-Gon?
Uh-huh.
You see the 2 lightsabers. Oh, well, one has the one turned off, this one turned on. Makes sense, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Well, one turned on, one turned on. Unfortunately, this does not come off him. Qui-Gon Jinn. Oh, I'll open the rest later. I'll open one more. Okay, which one is this? C-3PO? C-3PO with his part showing. I'm gonna open him. Whoa, that came off rightly nicely. Perfect. Now I put that in the trunk. Anyway. C-3PO. C3PO. Just normally by himself. C3PO. Ah! Sorry! Ah! Okay, there we go. C3PO. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, C3PO is funny. Yeah, I'm gonna open the... Yeah, I'm not gonna open it. Well, hope you liked my video of opening old Star Wars toys. Bye. Wait. I'll make other videos later. Okay, bye.